Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you call awesomeness. Two giant dogs fighting to the death like lions.
Angel! Hercules!
Look at that. Oh gosh! I love it. I'm about to get run over again. So these two dogs are Angel and Kong. Kong. Never mind. Kong has passed away. This is the children. Kind of yeah. Angel and Hercules. Hey Hercules. Hey boy. And now I'm being attacked by these giant dogs. Hey, stop. Stop eating me. Eat her. Eat her. Stop. I'm trying to hold the camera. I'm gonna beat the crap out of you if you don't stop. That's it. Even though I'm getting covered in poop right now. Stop. I'm getting beat up here. Oh man. Oh man. Alright, so I just got my butt kicked. Alright. And that's Angel. Hi Angel. And that is the end of the video.